If you want to watch a video, you are more likely to get an ads. If you don't like it, you have to use the premium version. But what if I told you that you can avoid ads and avoid paying for the premium version at the same time? Here's the trick. You just need to download the Brave browser and make sure you activate the shield. Then, you can watch any video you like without ads hovering over your video. This is like using the premium version for free. Not only that, the Brave browser is 3 times faster than Google Chrome. By blocking privacy invading ads and trackers by default, there's less stuff to load on every single web page you visit. That means pages load much faster, saving you time, money, and battery life. It also means you're much safer online.
Lisa lost 46 pounds without changing her diet, exercising more, or using detox teas. Click the link in the description for the full story.